What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another unboxing, and this time it is gonna be this guy right here. It's the DJI OM4 smartphone stabilizer, or a gimbal, smartphone gimbal. I've been wanting to get one because I got a new iPhone, so I could use it when I take videos and picture and selfies. Alright, on the back it says create magnetic moments. I guess here are the features. It says magnetic quick mount that you can put behind the phone, so you can, it's a magnet, so you can just attach the gimbal to it and it will hold the phone. It says the gimbal is foldable and portable, easy to carry. It has a feature of active track, which means that I guess it will follow the subject that you're capturing. It has a quick roll, which means it's easy to switch from portrait to landscape. Feature gesture control. That's interesting. I would like to learn about that. And a story mode. Alright, on the side it lists all the things that inside this box. It lists DJI OM4, the magnetic phone clamp. It also says that it has a storage pouch. It has a power cable. It has a grip tripod, so that will make the gimbal stand up on its own, and magnetic ring holder that you can attach to on the back of your phone, and a wrist strip, and a manual. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Start on the edge right here. Okay. Tear up the plastic. Okay, now that we tore away the plastic pack, there's a tab here. If you guys can see it, that we can pull to open the box. So let's do it now. Let's see. Now pull this out. There. Go. Okay. It says, excuse me, create magnetic moments. Nice packaging. And it also says right here, I guess, some instructions on the box. See it? Alright, let's pull this out. I guess these are the instructions. This is the pouch. Let's look at the pouch. Just really nice. Has that Osmo DJI logo on it. Alright, let's put that aside. And here's the clamp, magnetic clamp that will go on the back of your cell phone. So it comes with an alignment guide right here. Looks like that. so it will help you align it in the middle if you were to attach the magnet on the back of your phone. Cool. And there's the magnet itself. Some stickers. This is the instruction. Magnetic ring holder user guide. Disclaimer and safety guidelines. And the quick start guide. Alright, great. Put that there. And here it is, you guys. It's really beautiful. It's like light gray. Okay. So here is the gimbal. Oops, I turned it on accidentally, but it looks like this. So it has the buttons right there, and on the side that's the magnet. Really cool. And this is the magnetic clip that you can put on the back of your phone. This one right here is riser pad for smartphones. Oh, okay. Alright. And last but not the least, this is the tripod. So, oh, actually there's one more, which is the power cord to use to, it's a USB, USB-C to USB-A power cord used to charge the gimbal, the DJI Osmo. Alright, great. So let's go ahead and attach this tripod. So it screws at the bottom of the gimbal. You can screw it like this. And you can spread the legs out. And voila. Then it stands on its own. Nice. Okay. What else? I'm gonna get my phone. I'm gonna try it without attaching this with the case. Hopefully it will work. So here's my phone, you guys. Hopefully it will work. Oops. Yeah, I guess it does. The thing is, on the edges it's rounded, but you know how iPhone 12 now comes with like a straight edges instead of a rounded edges, so it will look like that. There's a space in between, but I guess that will work, hopefully. Alright, attach it right here. Ooh, oh my. It's really strong magnet. See that? Oh. Do it one more time. Okay. Alright. Oh, there's one more instructions on top. And I really cannot read it. Actually, it says activate the DJI OM4 when using it for the first time by following the steps in the DJI memo app. So I'm gonna need to download the app, but I have no idea how to operate this yet, so I'm gonna try to read the user manual first, and I guess make another video to show how it works. Alright, you guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Let me see if I can get this out. Oh my god, it's so strong there. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.